Good morning, all of you. In income tax law and accounts, today we'll go through the area deduction from income from house property. Okay, deduction from income from house property, section 24. There are two types of deduction, that is section 24 subsection A and section 24 subsection B. Section 24 subsection A standard deduction and section 24 subsection B is interest on housing loan. First we can go through the standard deduction. Okay, standard deduction section 24 subsection A. There are two subdivision in case of standard deduction, that is in respect of let out house and in respect of self-occupied house. In case of let out house or deemed to be let out house, there is a flat rate of standard deduction is 30% of net annual value. In the case of self-occupied house, there is no standard deduction. Okay, standard deduction is a ad hoc or flat deduction available out of net annual value in respect of certain expenses of the owner of the house property. Okay, it is connected with the earnings of rental income like rent collection charges, insurance of house, repair of house, etc. There is a fixed rate or flat rate is 30% of net annual value. There is no standard deduction in the case of self-occupied house property. Here is a summation chart, that is standard deduction divided into two in respect of let out house or deemed to be let out house. 30% standard deduction is 30% of net annual value, and in the case of self-occupied house standard deduction is nil. Next, second part, that is interest on housing loan. In the case of interest on housing loan means loan taken or amount borrowed for purchase, construction or repair, renovations of houses, etc. Okay. Interest paid or payable on housing loan is allowed as deduction while computing house property income. So clear? There are two divisions are there, two tax treatment, that is in the case of let out house and in the case of self-occupied houses. In the case of let out or deemed to be let out, then in the case of self-occupied houses. Okay, here is a summation chart of interest on housing loan, that is let out or deemed to be let out and self-occupied houses. In the case of let out or deemed to be houses, a full amount of interest is taken as deduction. Okay, there is no limit. Full amount of interest is taken as deduction. In the case of self-occupied house, there are also two subdivision, that is loan taken before 1/4/1999 and loan taken after 1/4/1999. In the case of loan taken before 1/4/1999, the maximum limit of deduction is 30,000. Maximum limit of deduction is 30,000. The purpose of loan is taken for purchase, construction, repair of houses, etc. Okay. The maximum limit of deduction is 30,000 rupees. 30,000. The conditions is a certificate for lender. Okay. Then second division is loan taken on or after 1/4/1999. There are also two subdivision, that is for the purpose of taking loan is purchase or construction of house. Maximum limit of deduction is 2 lakh per annum. Okay, 2 lakh per annum. There are two conditions, that is first one is the house is completion within 3 years. Okay, the house completion period is 3 years. Then second one is certificate from lender. Okay. Then second division is loan taken for the purpose of repair of house property. The maximum limit of deduction is 30,000 per annum. Condition there is only a certificate from earning a certificate from a lender. Okay. Interest on housing loan. I repeat, in the case of let out or deemed to be let out house, there is no limit, that is full amount of interest is treated as deduction. Then in the case of self-occupied house, there is two subdivision, loan taken before 1/4/1999 and loan taken on or after 1/4/1999. Loan taken before 1/4/1999, for that the loan is taken for the purpose of purchase, construction or repair of houses, etc. The maximum limit of deduction is 30,000. Okay. Loan taken on or after 1/4/1999, in that case there is two subdivisions, that is the loan taken for the purpose of purchase or construction. Purchase or construction, maximum limit 2 lakh per annum. There is a condition, that is the house completion within 3 years from taking that loan. Okay. Then second case is the purpose of taking loan is only for repair of houses. The maximum limit is 30,000 per annum. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Thank you.